Every day, oil and gas operators spend hours on the road driving to remote well sites to check their levels on production vessels. Oftentimes, they may be collecting data at one site while another hours away is in need of immediate attention. We've recently added a new product to our Kimray Electric's line to help solve this challenge, the Kimray Electric Level Sensor. The electric level sensor acts as the eyes of your energy production process, watching the liquid level in your vessel and reporting it continuously, so whatever's downstream always knows what's happening. The Kimray Electric Level Sensor is simple to use, easy to integrate, and requires almost no ongoing maintenance. The level sensor features NPT or flanged connections and can be installed on a new vessel or directly bolted on to replace an existing Gen 3 level controller enclosure. It delivers a standard 4 to 20 mA output that integrates with existing automation systems with no proprietary software required. The Wago terminal connectors make wiring simple and hassle-free. The sensor comes factory calibrated for two-phase, top-level applications. For interface applications, calibration is a simple two-button process. Our smart sensing technology has no wearable parts. Rather than traditional mechanical components such as levers and springs, it uses a strain gauge on a beam. There's nothing else like this in the market today. The paraffin cleanout port gives you access to the area where paraffins and other unwanted solids can build up and restrict the full range of motion to the rod and displacer. Simply bleed off vessel pressure, unscrew the plug, and clean it out without ever removing the sensor from the vessel. The standard displacer works across a wide range of specific gravities and differentials. Displacers and extension rods are interchangeable with the Kimray Gen 3 liquid level controller, including various sizes of PVC displacers, stainless steel displacers for high temperature applications, and split displacers for unlimited span options. The electric level sensor needs something to signal to, a brain that takes what it sees and decides what should happen next. There are three primary options for this. First, you can connect it to your existing PLC, since it sends a standard 4 to 20 mA output that works with what you already have. The second option is to pair it with the Kimray Electric Pilot. The Pilot is a pre-programmed PLC with one analog input and output and 8 applications already built in. From there, the electric pilot communicates with an electric actuator to open or close the valve, and the cycle continues. Operators have found this to be a very accessible way to get into automation. A third, less common option is to wire the sensor directly into the Kimray Electric actuator. This method opens or closes the valve directly off the sensor's raw signal. You may want to use this option if you just want to throttle the liquid level at the lowest point of your displacer in your vessel. The new electric level sensor is simple to install, reliable in the field, and backed by the Kimray team that has been supporting energy producers since 1948. To explore how automation can work for you, comment below or reach out to your local Kimray store or authorized distributor today.